Okay, we got a challenger here already.
Whoa, you're jumping straight into the big fish.
Yep.
Wow.
The board is a little bit scuffed, no? It's a little bit more scuffed than I thought.
I thought you were streaming pro at this point, Magnus.
Have you seen my rating? Like, I've been inactive, but I've been to streamer camp, so it's still improved a little bit.
I thought that was your ELO rating, not your streamer rating, sorry.
Mm.
Oh wow, some proper openings.
Yeah, this is hardcore streaming. Let's see if he knows this line.
He prepared all day.
Yeah, Magnus has been studying today. We went really
Stop! Yeah, this is a good one. Please stop stealing viewers from Chess Brides. Not cool. I just hosted you and bought you hookers every day because you couldn't pull, according to Eric, and here we are stealing viewers from them. Not cool, and I expect more from you.
They live too.
Okay, cool. Oh, this is real team money. No, he's proper lad from the Chess Bride chat. Oh, I probably shouldn't have allowed this. Wait
I'm
a
not saying
second.
anything.
If you speak, you're in big trouble. Let me see. This?
I have to go.
No, okay, let me read the rest of it.
So this is what a stream setup looks like. I need to get involved.
Oh, what am I doing? I'm just worse. I have a little suspicion soup though. Oh, he's got 94.
Yeah.
This is not good. Maybe I should focus more on playing and...
That's not eating.
Where can I find this? Real Team Money, can you send it again? It was really funny.
You still not taking subs?
No.
I love that comment. Hal keeps saying he should start streaming and never does. It has been about
Yeah.
10 years I've been saying that. Whoops. Someone teach me.
Alright. Magnus, please stop stealing viewers from Chess Bride. It's not cool. They just hosted you and brought you hookers every day because you couldn't pull, according to Eric. And here we are stealing viewers from them. It's not cool, and I expected more from you. I just wanted to say, I think you're confusing me with Aryan. Oh
Gosh,
gosh.
man.
There we go. Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah, proper compensation.
You playing 3-0?
Yeah.
3-1.
I gotta speed up.
Oh man.
I'm kind of equalized though. Rook protects the bishop.
Wow.
Oh, I'm better.
That's some deep stuff. Thanks. Thanks for that lesson. Oh, I'm gonna get a drink. Does anyone want anything?
Oh, good. I'm so enjoying. It's so good.
Rook d7, there is 94, right? Yeah, let's go here first. Yeah. I'm a little bit sluggish at the moment. Hoping for this, maybe. Okay, let's go. Oh, this was the point. Nasty. Maybe I could have taken and then gone up with the king.
He's going for it.
This boy is really trying to make me.
Vladimir.
This guy is very unpleasant.
Sounds oppressed.
Sorry, might die soon.
Do you pick it up from the Chessborough house? That one.
The bishop is always protected. Always.
Always protected, you know.
Doesn't matter what you're doing.
Oh, there's exclamation mark sniffing here from Asios. Let's go back, see if he wants a draw. No draw. Never.
That's straight out of the Russian school of chess.
Okay. Take it. Bishop here. It's king g6. Hoping to get the king here.
Put it in a third position. Just know it.
Yeah, this is obviously not better for me anymore. What does he take?
Ooh.
What is he doing?
He's a brave man.
Ooh.
This is a little too brave, no?
Oh.
I've got an Anastasia song in my head. I can't get rid of it.
Which
I'm out
one?
of love, set me free.
What's the point of this move? Is it a
Regroup.
dumb move? What is he doing? Oh, this is the point. Okay, but now I get a new queen. And a very precise check.
Write it down, note it down, boys and girls.
Is he gonna play till then?
Probably.
Magnus is old and slow. Of course he's going to play to the end.
No. Check. Check. Take it. Where are you gonna go with the rook? Brah. Check. It's no stalemate.
Oh.
Ah.
Good, good, good.
Ah.
Bloody hell.
Okay,
I have
so
to play till
Yeah.
one. Then it's not
sorry.
Why did he trust you to deliver mate that I don't understand?
I gotta eat a little bit.